Students, how are you? I hope all of you be fine. Welcome back to science lesson. Today we will go to a new subject. We will review a new subject about ocean movements. Before that, let me remind you what we studied in previous lesson. In previous lesson we studied what is in ocean water. You know that, students, ocean is made up of water and salts and other dissolved solids. Ocean water, about 96% is water, and ocean is about 4% is made up of salts and other solids. So what is the most common salts in ocean water? The most common salt in ocean water is sodium chloride. Don't forget, please keep it in your mind. Sodium chloride, that's known as table salt, is the most common salt in ocean water. Let's go to new page. Please open your science book, page 152, ocean movement. Ocean movement includes waves, tides, and currents. Today we will review just waves. Waves is one type of ocean movement. Let's know what is wave. Wave is the up and down movement of the water particles that make it up. Look at this picture, students. This is water wave. Wave is the up and down movements of the water particles that make it up. Okay, so waves, water waves are caused or formed by the wind. When a wind blows over the water surface, it pulls on the water particles. This is causes small bumps or ripples of water to form. As the wind continues to blow, the ripples keeps growing over the time. They become waves. Look at this picture. Waves like this, look, are caused by the wind. Look, waves like this are caused by the wind. Okay, waves break or give up their energy as they move onto the shore. So the height of a wave depends on three things. The number one, the strength of the wind, the amount of time the wind blows, and the size of the area over which the wind blows. These are factors that affect the height of a wave. Okay, or the factors that the height of a wave depends on it. Let's go to page 153. Sometimes a strong gusty wind is blowing over an area of many square kilometers can cause a group of very large waves called storm surge. Storm surge. Enkurdish mean berze shapol. Now we have a video about wave. After that we will continue the lesson. Please look and listen carefully.
On the sea, wind blowing across the surface of the water causes the waves. When we float a table tennis ball in a bowl full of water and blow through a pair of tubes, the surface is stirred up into ripples. The harder we blow, the bigger the ripples. Similarly, on the sea, the wind drags the water to form waves, which slowly move forward and get larger. Three factors are responsible for the height of a wave. First, how hard the wind is blowing. Second, how long the wind has been blowing. Third, the length of the stretch of open water over which the wind is blowing.
What is storm surge? A large or a group of very large waves caused by strong or gusty winds. Okay, don't forget that. Please, you have to memorize storm surge. So when do storm surge occur? Storm surge often occur during hurricanes and can cause a lot of damage along a shore. Look, this picture, students. This is a harbor during a storm surge. Waves can be as high as 10 meters. Look, storm surge can cause a great or a lot of damage to shores. So how do water waves change a shoreline, or how do water waves affect a shoreline? Water waves or waves change the shoreline in different ways. Water waves change a shoreline by deposition and erosion. Erosion, what is erosion? Erosion in Kurdish mean ramaling. Erosion, carrying away of sediments. Erosion along a shore causes beaches to become smaller. Okay, but deposition, when waves deposit sediments near shore, a beach gets bigger. Okay, so deposition and erosion change a shoreline. Okay, please, my lovely students, you have to restudy at home waves, and you have to memorize wave. What is wave? Wave is the up and down movement of the water particles that make it up. And also you have to memorize storm surge. What is a storm surge? Storm surge, a group of very large waves caused by strong gusty winds that called storm surge. Okay, goodbye and see you.